What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built. So make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Quant here, and as we can see, we had this massive consolidation period for a long time for Quant, didn't we? A lot of people say, nothing's ever going to happen with that crypto. And you can see here, obviously, they were quite badly mistaken. It actually had that one last swing low down at around $22.5 there. But basically back in May when we had the big crash, and then it started to take off after that, didn't it? Just making a series of higher highs and higher lows, just having a massive parabolic move. Obviously, this is unsustainable price action. You can see, the exponential curve, if I can actually draw, the exponential curve that did start to happen like this. And then eventually, these kinds of price actions cannot be maintained. And we did eventually break down here. We had a consolidation and slowly start to sell off, until eventually we had that capitulation for Bitcoin back on the 4th of December, where, Quant basically dropped from around $188 down to around $111 here on the swing low. A massive capitulation. You can see here we come down into this area, basically in free fall, weren't we? And then we pulled off fib levels because we do think this is probably the bottom for Quant here. Pulled off fib from the high to the low here, and you can see, what's happened. We've come back into our fib levels, wicked all the way back up here. We've retested the 0.23 as support, got the bounce to the 0.38 here, to the 0.50, sorry. Let me just, I need to actually pull this in a little bit so I can actually see what's going on. I need to be able to see the fib levels, so I can actually talk about them. Otherwise, I'm just like flailing in the wind trying to remember what the numbers are sometimes. So you can see here, swing low, we come back up into the 0.38 here where we find resistance. So we roll to our next level, which is our 0.23. We find support here. We break the 0.38. We come all the way up to around that 0.50 level, but we roll again, don't we? We're chopping it up, consolidating, chopping it up. You can see here, Quant, really, it's just been consolidating, hasn't it? It's just been putting in a bit of a range. You could argue the range really is something like this when you include the wicks. Looking potentially something like that, where we've just been, we come down, bottom of the range, top of the range, consolidating, test the top, come down, test the bottom, still consolidating, still going sideways. I mean, this is the tail for the whole market, really, isn't it? We've just been going sideways and sideways, really. Obviously, Bitcoin trying to drag us lower, but, most altcoins, they've just been going sideways, or they've been having a little bit of a rally in the face of Bitcoin's bearishness, you could say. And overall, we'd say, what is going on with this? I need to fix this, there we go, the histogram. We're trying out this new histogram, but it's doing some weird, funky shit today. But anyway, you can see here, we've quite clearly put a range in, haven't we? Top of the range, bottom, top, bottom, 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 top, 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 bottom. And, we're just going sideways, aren't we, with Bitcoin's trying to decide what it wants to do. But we'd say in reality, sooner or later, we are going to see Quant have its day. This is a top quality crypto, as we've always said. The fundamentals for Quant are absolutely massive. We'd say they're up there to rival potentially, Hedera, Hashgraph, XRP, these kinds of big, worldwide use case fundamentals that could have, serious adoption in the future. And, Quant, it's having a rest, isn't it? It's had this on a macro timescale. If you just look at this chart, it's had a huge run up, consolidate, come up, we form the pennant, massive run up, another pennant, massive run up, and now it's just cooling off, isn't it? It's having a little bit of a relax before the next move. We've always said that we think Quant, it could easily be over $1,000 per token, and we still stand by that. We do think that's easily possible in the next few years, maybe even beyond that. The market cap is still so low for Quant. This is a really top quality crypto in our opinion. You can see just how well it's been trading technically as well. It's adhering to all the Fibonacci levels, so we are expecting a nice move for it pretty soon. So overall, Quant right now, it's just consolidating, waiting for that next move to the upside, in our opinion. If we roll over here, we obviously have that $161 area at the bottom of the range, coming down towards that 0.23 at $155. Obviously $150 as well. Anywhere in this area between $150 and the bottom of the range there would be a really good place for a bounce. And of course, we do have that swing low all the way down at $112 there. We don't think we'll get that low. We've got this nice $140 level support as well. And then to the upside, obviously we're targeting the top of the range at around $210, obviously $200 as well, being a psychological target. And then, as we said before, I mean, looking at this, the extensions here for Quant, now that we put in this Fibonacci, you can see here we've got the 1/6 ones at around $1,000. We've got the 227 up at a massive $2,400, which would obviously be an incredible 15x or so from the current price. Or what is it, 12, 13, maybe 14x actually. So obviously, you know, Quant, this is a crypto that it's set to explode in our opinion. It's going to do very well in the future, and we are super bullish on it. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.